What is going on? I hope you're all having an amazing day. In my last video, I went over 5 things that I absolutely hate about the Toyota Prius. Well, we're about to change that maybe with the Prius's very first upgrade, and it just got here in the mail today. Let's go see what it is. Oh yeah, that's right. Not a turbo, but a turbo whistle. All right, so the only tools that you need to install this bad boy is a 10mm wrench and an Allen key, the one that comes with it. I'm not sure what size it is. But the Allen key is going to adjust this screw. It's like a grub screw right there. I'm sure you probably can't even see that. But it tightens down the whistle part, so make sure it doesn't go. I don't even know why it's not a solid thing, but. And then we're gonna take the wrench and we're gonna unscrew this and then tighten it onto the tailpipe. I'll show you more as I'm installing it of how to do it. Wow, this must be the easiest mod we've ever done to any car on the channel. But looks like all we need to do is unscrew this screw right here. So the exhaust whistle goes in, and then this bolt unscrews, and then you want to tighten that back up to hold it down. Use a wrench, get a couple extra turns on there. You don't want this extremely expensive turbo to fall out of your exhaust while you're driving. Looks good. Look at that sucker. All right, after all that hard work, it's finally installed. Let's go start up the Prius and see if this actually works. All right, so I actually didn't hear anything, but maybe we need to take this thing for a ride in order for it to work. I'm gonna review the footage to see if it actually made a sound or not, but let's go take this Prius for a ride and see if we can get those turbo sounds going. All right, guys, just to show you, I got this baby in power mode, so we're gonna be pushing some serious horsepower right now. All right, let's go. I wonder if this is actually gonna work. All right, guys, let me know in the comments. Do you think we're gonna make a lot of turbo noise here, or is it gonna be a dud? Oh, I hear the turbo. Woo! I think I hear the noise. Let's give this UPS truck. Woo! All right, we gotta slow down. We gotta get to the fast road. This is hilarious. All right, I hope you guys can hear this. Ready? Woo! Oh man, they're scared. We gotta see if we can race somebody or try and get somebody to race me. I'll tell them all about my 67mm single turbo that I've got going on in there, and a bigger battery, and power mode. All right, we're gonna get out just to make sure that it's still there. Oh, you hear that? Let's go. That's amazing. All right, let's get going. All right, now what I think we're gonna do is we're gonna do like a 0 to 60 and see how loud we can get this whistle going. You know, now that I think about it, it really almost sounds like I don't have a turbo in my engine. It's more like a referee at a soccer game trying to get you to stop. It's definitely like the referee upgrade. And punch it. This car is going fast, baby. 50. That didn't take that long. I think that might have been a record for this car, 0 to 60. Who would have thought that this would be the perfect upgrade? Forget the 5 things that I hate about my Prius. Now I love it. No, I'm just kidding. Oh, I hear that. I didn't think this car could get any slower, but going up a slight hill, I mean the slightest hill, it probably added another 4 seconds to my 0 to 60. That's hilarious. At least I got this upgrade, this whistle upgrade. It's ridiculous. It totally is a referee whistle. All right, ready? We're gonna try and we're gonna stop the game over here. Ready? That is amazing. I don't know why I didn't do this sooner. That's so good. All right, so it's definitely safe to say that you're not going to be tricking anybody. Putting this on your car is not going to make people think that you installed a turbo. It's probably the funniest thing that I've ever done to a car. Guys, let me know in the comments if you want to see this Prius race other cars. I'll leave the whistle on there. We'll try and convince some people that I installed a turbo or a referee whistle. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. Subscribe, and I'll see you with the next one. That was absolutely hysterical. That is the funniest thing, and also probably the stupidest thing that I've ever done to a car in my entire life, or anything that I've seen really done to a car. That is so funny. I can't wait to go out and try racing people, or just doing drive-bys by like a bunch of car people, or at a car show or something. But guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks.